All right, so we've done the strength. Now we're moving on to the cardio portion. There are 5 exercises in total. We're going to be doing 30 seconds on, 10-second break until we complete the circuit. At the end of the circuit, you get a 60-second break. We're going to repeat this for a total of 3 rounds. Let's get ready. First exercise, 2 pulse, 2 jump squats. 3, 2, go. Pulse, pulse, jump, jump. Time. Next exercise, pulsing alternating lunges. We're going to start 3, 2, 1. Take a step back, go down, pulse, come back up. We're going down onto the floor for leg lifts. We're going as fast as we can on these. 3, 2, 1, get them up. Okay, try to get as low to the ground as you can without touching. Okay, quickly move into place. Next one, twisting jumps, chest straight, and we're going side to side. Let's go. Keep the core nice and tight on this one. Next, we're going to do a shuffle, just like this. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Seconds left. Keep going. One minute break. Okay, repeat it again. Total 3 rounds. Grab a quick sip of water. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Really try and get your heart rate back down to normal. You guys are doing awesome. We're really crushing this workout. You're gonna see amazing results. Just keep sticking to the plan. I know it's challenging sometimes, but no pain, no gain, right? And this is really true of any fitness program you do. Consistency is key. Diet and exercise go hand in hand. You can never out-train a bad diet. So if you're putting all the work in with the exercises, make sure your nutrition is good. Let's get ready. 2 pulses, 2 jumps. time. Alternating pulsing lunges. Get ready. 3, 2, back, pulse, and up. Leg lifts are next. Down on the floor. Nice and quick, we're doing the switch. 3, 2, 1, up. Keep the core nice and tight. 10 seconds left. Keep pushing through. And back up. Twisting jumps are next. Get ready. Keep that core tight. We're also working our abs with this one. And time. Control the breathing. Last one. Shuffles. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Keep those feet moving. Time. One more round and we are done. Control the breathing, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Quick sip of water. Do not chug, do not guzzle. You don't want to feel upset with all the jumping around. "30 seconds left. Walk it off. Get the breathing controlled back down to normal. Gonna get ready. 15 seconds left. Enjoy that break. All right, let's get ready. 2 pulses, 2 jump squats. 3, 2, 1. Really try and get those feet off the ground. Nice and high, big jump. Five seconds. Okay, alternating lunges. Get ready. Pulse it nice and low. Okay, leg lifts are next. Down on the floor. Get We're moving on to the twisting jumps. 3, 2, 1. Slow your breathing down in through the nose, out through the mouth. Last one, and we're all done. Shuffles. Last 30 seconds. We got this. Keep going. Let's start. Five seconds. And we are done. Great job, everyone. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Mission accomplished. We came, we worked, we sweated, we kicked some ass. I call that a success. All right, follow along for the cool down, and then we are done for day one. Make sure you get your protein and your carbs in right after this. Big stretch up. Okay. Palms to your side, fingers pointing down, straight up. Okay, give those biceps a good stretch. Cross it over. Shoulders are getting stretched right now. Opposite shoulder. Okay. Hand up. Pull that arm down. Okay, stretching out those triceps. Other side. Okay, nice and low. Try and touch the ground. Let your body just hang. Okay, we're down on the floor. Okay, curve your back up. And big breath out, release. And release again. And release. We're gonna sit back into our heels. Big stretch forward. Okay, walk it over to the right. Big stretch. And walk it to the left. Big stretch. Awesome job today. We did it. Day one complete. Protein, carbs right after this. Be sure to get your water in, and I'll see you back here for day two.